Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can easily use Super Steady Mode for video recording on Samsung Galaxy A36. So the first thing that we need to do is open up the camera and now switch over to video mode. Now here what we want to do is test it before and try to shake as much as possible. As you guys can see. Now I will stop the recording and now check it before the Super Steady Mode. As you guys can see, it looks pretty bad. And now what I can do is enable the Super Steady Mode right here. And basically what it does, it tries to stabilize every single movement so the recording isn't shaky but it's steady. So we're gonna try it now. Of course the same settings, full HD 30 FPS, and let me try now. Now let's check the results between these two. So the first one is without the stabilization. And now the second one is with the stabilization. It looks much different. The movement, like this, diagonally, it looks much different and it looks much better. So in my opinion, it's really cool to try the Super Steady Mode, but remember, you need light and you need to actually try and keep it steady by yourself, so the results are even better. Me, for the purpose of this video, I had to move my hand a little bit too much, but if you actually use the Super Steady Mode and your hands are a little bit shaky, then it will stabilize everything and you don't need to worry about it. So that would be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed this and leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.